In a world where smartphones has transformed the way we capture video, we can now shoot stunning footage with a device that fits straight into our pockets. But here's the kicker. When you start to introduce high quality lenses to your setup, you'll be able to take your filmmaking to the next level. And today, we're going to be having a look at a brand new set of smartphone lenses from FREEWELL. Let's do this! What is going on? It's Anil. Now, it's no secret that smartphones today have amazing cameras and you can shoot some pretty good video, but is that video really cinematic? Well, it is to an extent. I mean, the new iPhones can shoot cinematic mode, which is pretty good. I'm talking about that true Hollywood look. That is where FREEWELL comes in. Now, these are pretty awesome, and we're going to start by looking at the build quality and design. Now, FREEWELL sent me their full kit of lenses. Now, these aren't just for filmmakers, photographers can use these, but today I'm focusing on filmmaking. So I want to make it very clear that this is a pre-released set of their lenses. I'm not doing a full review of these lenses at all today. This is just a preview of what's in the kit and the kind of quality that you can expect when you get these lenses. Now, this kit comes with two anamorphic lenses, or as FREEWELL like to call them, cinemorphic. It does sound better, I'll give them that. There's also an 18mm wide angle lens and a long range macro. Now, FREEWELL claim that these are constructed from aerospace metal. I mean, these lenses are solid, durable. I mean, I dropped these a few times and it just brushed it off like Optimus Prime.
I am Optimus Prime.
And they are bigger, noticeably bigger. I mean, if I compare this to a Moments lens, look at the size difference and the weight difference between the two. In a later video, I might do some more comparisons between these lenses and some other brand lenses, but the added size and the extra glass is going to contribute to the extra quality you're going to get when using these lenses. And also, the design aspect of these larger lenses allow you to have screw-on filters without any adapters. So, as I mentioned, there are two anamorphic lenses in the kit. You've got a 155 and a 133. And the differences between the two is mainly around how wide and how much of a squeeze each lens is going to give you. The choice is really down to you and your artistic style. But the wide view that you get from these lenses really does transform your footage on your phone to something more cinematic. That cinematic wide view gives you those bulges that you see, especially when you're panning up and down. You see those buildings and those straight lines start to bulge a little bit. And also, a unique characteristic of these lenses is the flare. Now, these are blue flared lenses, but I know FREEWELL also sell a gold flare anamorphic lens as well. So again, it's artistic choice. And as I mentioned, you can screw on filters with all of these lenses. Before I go through those filters, if you're liking the content and you're getting some value, please hit that like button, hit subscribe. You know what you need to do. Now, in this pack, I've got ND8 all the way up to ND64. Also got a snow mist and a CPL filter all in this one kit. Now, these filters are easy to use. They screw on to all of these lenses. I shot some test footage with the anamorphic lens with these filters and they were very sharp. Now, I didn't get enough time to test the snow mist or the CPL, but in future videos, I will definitely be giving those a go. So in this kit, FREEWELL also have an 18mm wide angle lens. Now, I know what you're saying. You're saying my phone has got a wide angle, or even an ultra wide angle lens. Why do I need to buy a separate lens? Well, those lenses are good, and the ultra wide on the iPhone in particular is great, but the quality of that lens isn't as good as the standard wide. So when you use the standard wide in conjunction with a wide angle lens, you're going to get an extra wide view and you're going to get much higher quality footage. During my testing, I was using the iPhone 13 Pro Max standard camera with the 18mm wide, and I got some brilliant results. It was really good. Now, lastly, there is a long range macro lens in this kit. Now, I didn't get a lot of time to use this because I didn't have any products to shoot or anything. That's mainly where I use a macro lens for video. I did a few sample shots here and there, but I'm looking forward to using this lens again in the future. finally, let's talk about price. So the wide angle, the long range macro, and the 1.33 anamorphic lens come in at $129. The 1.55 anamorphic is $199, and the filters is $99. So from what I can tell, these are slightly more expensive than something like the new T series range from Moments. But I will say that the quality of these lenses is fantastic. The bigger lens with the extra glass is going to have a noticeable difference on the quality of the video and photos that you might be taking. Now I know there are other brands that are bringing out their new lenses, and I can't wait to compare those lenses with these lenses to see who's going to be king of the iPhone lenses. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you like my content and you want to see some more videos around filmmaking with your iPhone, check out these other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.